everyone, and welcome back to the Red Carpet Curls YouTube channel. So today's video is a tutorial on how I like to use Moisture Love's Mesmerizing Moisture and Definition Bundle. So before we get started, I do want to remind you that everything I say in this video is available as a written blog post on redcarpetcurls.com, including how the products looked in the unboxing and even a breakdown of the first 5 ingredients of each product, so you really understand how these products function. All of that is available on redcarpetcurls.com. All you got to do is click the link in the description box below. So just sit back, relax, and listen and watch to how I get these beautiful results right here. Each and every time I use this bundle from Moisture Love, I get these beautiful, shiny results. I love the definition and just the moisture that stays for multiple days, not just day one. So let's get started on the first step of this wash day, which is cleansing with the Gentle Embrace Hydration Shampoo. This is a really thin consistency shampoo. It's kind of like aloe vera juice, but incredibly moisturizing. It is a low poo, meaning it cannot clarify your hair, it cannot deep clean, but it gives you a really nice deep clean feeling with a lot of foam and just the moisture that clarifying shampoo cannot give you. I absolutely love how much moisture comes in this shampoo. Remember, you can find the first 5 ingredients analysis in the written review on redcarpetcurls.com. Definitely check it out so that you can see what type of ingredients you should be looking for in shampoos if this one agrees with you, if you love this really rich, foamy feeling for a shampoo. Now, when you pair it with a scalp brush, like this one I got from Amazon, it was just $6.99, one of the little cheap ones. It gives you a really deep clean because the scalp brush works to get rid of any dead skin cells, debris, and buildup in your scalp. So paired together, you get that really nice deep clean, comparable to a clarifying shampoo without losing all that moisture. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse. Those are the results. As you can see, very light and fluffy. Even though it is a low poo with moisture, you still got to use some kind of conditioner because curly hair is naturally dry. So I'm going in with the Moisture Love Deep Indulgences Replenishing Conditioner. I love the conditioner. I'm also using the curated hair steamer to help the formula penetrate my hair even deeper and quicker. So as you can see, it is a very thick consistency formula. That is no thin consistency like what we saw in the shampoo itself. I love that this conditioner softens and detangles my hair thanks to all the oils in it. It has rich replenishers like sage, chamomile, horsetail, and nettle. So this herbal infusion nourishes and soothes the scalp, reducing breakage and stimulating hair growth. So look at the difference. This is the side with the conditioner, very moisturized, and that's the side without. That's just insane. Now pair it with the steam so that it can penetrate to the deepest layer of your hair known as the cortex to strengthen the hair from within and get that moisture deep in so that it can hold for multiple days. That's why I love using the hair steamer. Plus, you see it gives you a nice shine, adds heat. It's great for turning this into a quote-unquote deep conditioner. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side, rake it through, make sure I really get deep in there, including the back. I really want to tell you to focus on the ends, okay? The mid-lengths to the ends is where you should be focusing this to increase the elasticity in your hair, increase the shine, and reduce any split ends and breakage. And as I said, the steam is just going to help you get absolutely everything you can from your Deep Indulgences Replenishing Conditioner. Now I'm going to put the shower cap to insulate the natural heat my scalp produces to further heat up the conditioner and wait 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing it out. I'm horrible with getting all the hair in there, look at that. But I got it. Now here is styling. I'm using water and my first styling product is the Now and Forever Leave-In Conditioning Serum. And then I'm going to go in with my second styling product known as the Kindred Spirits Moisture and Style Cream. So I sectioned my hair into 5 sections known as the BMC sectioning technique. You can find that on my channel. And I'm just making sure each of the 5 sections is completely saturated with water. That's important, okay, to lock in that moisture. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in, as you can see, I would say dime size amounts of the leave-in serum just because it's an incredibly moisturizing product. As I said, the first 5 ingredients of this leave-in are the same as the Deep Indulgences conditioner we just used. So it's incredibly moisturizing. So for fine hair, I only need a little bit. Same with the moisture cream right here. Listen, this moisture and style cream, it's a bad boy, perfect for finger coiling and stuff. But if you have fine or wavy hair, you do not need a lot. Less is more. I can't stress it enough. I absolutely love that the Now and Forever Leave-In Conditioning Serum contains avocado and macadamia oils, which reduce frizz and promote shine and growth. I love that the serum melts away any tangles I had, so it's actually perfect for refreshes as well. And it infuses deep moisture within the strands, giving me moisture for a few days instead of one day. Now, for the Kindred Spirits Moisture and Style Cream, I love that it's really thick, so it locks in all of that good moisture into your beautiful shiny curls so you can have the best definition possible. And it has a foundation of organic aloe vera and their Hydrolure technology, which establishes optimal environments for your curls to thrive. And it's perfect in smaller quantities for all hair types to enjoy extended moisture retention, increased manageability as well. And as I said, it is fantastic for finger coiling. I love using this product to finger coil. I've used it many times. You can see in the written blog post that I did for you guys. I did it the first time with only a few finger coils, and I had so much volume and definition and shine. It was absolutely amazing. So you can do as many or as little finger coils as you want. It's really up to you. It's based on how much time you're willing to devote to this. So it's kind of like if you would have spent an hour straightening your hair, you can spend the hour instead finger coiling to encourage definition. This is a fantastic tip for transitioning hair specifically. So as you can see, I focus on the front of my face, the ones that frame my face. Otherwise, I just try to scrunch the rest of them because I don't want to put too much time into this just because it's a pandemic and I'm not really going anywhere, so I don't need to train my curls consistently each and every wash day, just some wash days. So now that I finished finger coiling the front, I'm just going to really focus on spending the time scrunching the back. Since I have a thinner density hair strand, I have fine hair, that means I have to really focus on encouraging the curl with scrunching and praying hands, stuff like that. Anything to keep my volume and definition at the same time since I lose it so quickly. And especially since I'm not using a gel, my hair normally prefers the gels to give hold, whereas the cream gives just a little bit of hold and more moisture to lock in that shine. You can absolutely pair it with a gel. I just find it to be too much. So here is the cast I got. It was a pretty soft cast. Now I'm going to go in with the Seal with a Kiss finishing oil, which honestly in my opinion was a perfect final step. I absolutely love that it has a dynamic infusion of marshmallow and horsetail leaf in a proprietary blend of soothing oils. It gives a really polished shine and moisturizing seal. Less is definitely more with this product. Please listen to me. 3 to 5 drops for fine and wavy hair is just enough. Now, if you have, more coily, kinkier hair like the 4A, B, C, you can use to your discretion. But for me, I found just doing quick scalp massages with 3 drops and then 5 drops to scrunch out the gel cast was just enough for my hair. So as you can see, now I'm getting a lot more movement into my hair. I'm going to use a pick to get a little bit more volume. Since I have fine hair, I don't really get my volume until days 2 and 3. So I'm just going to separate the curls for more volume. As I said, keep focusing on doing scalp massages. You can do scalp massages for 5 to 10 minutes a day for optimal hair growth and volume. And as you can see, for day 1, I'm incredibly happy. Beautiful, defined, shiny, moisturized curls. That's what Moisture Love gives you each and every time. So definitely check out my full written review. If you need to watch this video again, make sure you do, but you need to get yourself these products. If you're looking for something easy and fantastic to encourage hair growth and beautiful hair days, then Moisture Love is definitely the answer to your prayers. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please make sure to put a little thumbs up. We work very hard on our tutorials. And make sure you're subscribed to redcarpetcurls.com so you don't miss anything else.